Witness the power of adaptation. From man to myth I rise.
Are you that kind of person that when you want to produce a video using AI tools, you go and use like 25 AI tools, merge them together just to get one video, and that video will not be up to 1 minute? Or are you among those kind of people when they want to produce a flyer using AI, they'll go and use like 15 AI tools just to produce one flyer? And at the end, the flyer is still not going to come out well. Or are you among those kind of people that when they want to produce 3D animation, they'll go and get different AI tools, merge them together just to produce one 3D animation video that is not even going to be up to 59 seconds? Stop that thing this year. Don't do it again. Now, I have a solution for you. Now, I want to introduce to you a particular website. And this website, when I introduce it to you, you will thank me later. Now, what if I show you a website that has all these features, all this model in just one particular place? So you don't need to go to another place to get your 3D animation. You don't need to go to another place to get your video graphics. You don't need to go to any other place to do your graphics. Everything you're looking for is in this particular website. So if I ask a question, how do you intend to make money fast by using different AI tools when you have the ability to use just one website that has all the AI tools in it, all the models that you need? How do you think you can make money fast? Hey guys, if you want to make money by using these AI tools, one website that has this AI tool so that can increase your productivity, then this particular website I want to show to you is for you. So guys, if you enjoy what I'm saying or you have interest in what I'm saying, do like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and probably share the link to a friend that is using too many AI tools just to produce one video, or too many AI tools just to produce one flyer. Don't forget guys, at the end of this video, I always drop something, but at the end of this video, I'm going to tell you where you can have access to the link where you're going to sign up and create your account and start enjoying these websites that I want to show to you. So guys, stay to the end of this video. Let's go to my computer screen so that I'll show you what I'm talking about. It has crazy features that you are going to fall in love with, and trust me, after now, you're not going to leave this website. Let's go guys. So guys, the name of the website I'm talking to you about is called Higgsfield. All right, now this Higgsfield, like I said from the onset, all in one website that enables you to have different AI tools, and it makes cinematic video very seamless, right? Whatever video you want to create, whatever template you want to build, or whatever model you want to use, whatever model you want to work on, be it 3D, be it cinema, be it even you want to do your flyers or your YouTube thumbnails, right? It makes it very seamless without stress. All right, so I'm going to take you through I'm going to take you through some of the model that are very invoke, in fact very interesting. All right guys, stay with me, let me go show you. But before I take you there, let me just tell you what it's all about. All right, now Higgsfield is one of the fastest growing gen AI companies, built with one goal: to make AI creation genuinely creative and friendly. All right, inside one platform, you get access to the world's leading models. Example like I spoke about the Nano banana. We have Kling 2.6, and we have one 2.5, and many more. There are so much, and they also recently launched the cinema studio. All right, a cinema studio where you can have mix of cinema movies. It depends on how creative you are. You can have smooth creation, the first ever end-to-end filmmaking pipeline that takes you from a deliberate first frame to a finished video. So before now, if you check, when you want to create some videos, I'm talking about videos where you have to upload an image, and then from that image you have to now go ahead to upload just a frame, right? They only give you access to upload the first frame. Then after uploading the first frame, you don't have access to upload the last frame. That means you can upload the first frame to produce a particular video, and then when you want to upload the last frame, you won't have that access. But when you come to this Higgsfield, this platform I'm talking to you about, you have access to upload the first frame and even to the last frame, and it's going to give you a seamless transition. When I'm talking about seamless transition, you're going to get it here. And also, not forgetting, there are some platforms that gives you characters that are not same. They are not the same. All right, they didn't give you unique characters. Some of them they give you different characters, but you see these characters that is going to be produced from these Higgsfields, whatever production you're doing here, it gives you consistent character. All right, So guys, let's start exploring the tools. Let's start with the Nano Banana Pro. All right, so I just uploaded my photo and I've already given it a prompt, and the prompt is create a YouTube thumbnail for me to use on my YouTube channel. All right, so I'm just going to give it a prompt, a simple prompt. You can just do it wherever, anyhow you know you can do it, and then you know that you're good in doing it. So just give it a prompt, like tell it to create a thumbnail for your YouTube thumbnail. And then remember, after giving the prompt, you have to select the aspect ratio. Now the aspect ratio I'm using here is 16:9, which is that normal YouTube size. And then in terms of the quality, always select 2K, right? Why? Because if you select 1K is lower. If you go for 2K, 2K is at least moderate. If you go for 4K, it might take a very long time for it to process it for you. And then when you are done, you're just going to hit on the generate button. All right, that is what I just did now. So when you hit on generate button, this window will pop up, and then what you're going to see is in progress. All right, so you're going to wait for a while, it's going to generate. All right, so I want us to check the other tool, right, which is that Kling 2.6. This is that cinematic video with sound. All right, this particular one helps you to get a cinematic video. As you can see on the display here, it's very sweet, and then the sound it gives to you, it's very clear, and it gives you nice cinematic video also. So we're going to take a try and see what we're going to have. This is what I produced with it.
Witness the power of adaptation. From man to myth I rise.
So how did I get this video? It's very simple. I just entered the prompt. I said, let this image transition into a scorpion. All right, so I uploaded the image, and that is all. And then the audio that you're hearing, if you're a good prompter, you can just enter a prompt by telling the system to say what you want it to say. And then I believe you love what you saw. So guys, this is the reason why a lot of content creators are using this website called Higgsfield. I would advise you to just forget about every other website you're using. Come down here and make sure you're using this one, because even if I start exploring more features for you, you will see that it has everything in one. It is not, I know before now when AI tools started coming out, you have to use multiple websites for it to achieve just a single goal. But for this Higgsfield, as you can see, it is all a one. So guys, this helps you to put all your jobs in one particular place. As you can see, the kind of edit we have here, there are so many tools which for the sake of this video tutorial, I could not measure a lot of them, but I want you to go down to either my comment section or the description of this video, get the link and go and sign up right away. So after sign up, you have the time for you to test each and every tools that you need to use. Now I know I did not mention in terms of those when you're talking about having similar faces, right? There are some AI tools that when you produce a particular face, you see that the next scene you are not going to have that same character, but for this AI tool it has consistent character. Alright guys, more videos are coming your way on how you can make money online using AI tools or using websites that can pay you. Alright guys, so don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel so you have more of my videos whenever I drop them. Don't forget also to share this particular video to a friend that is using too many AI tools to make his or her video. Direct them to come to this website, HeyFix. Like I said, check the description and get it so you can share it with your friends. See you on my next video. Bye bye.